Honorable Chief Minister Sri Naveen Patnaik ji, Honorable Chairman Odisha Skill Development Authority Sri Subrata Bagchi. Today present with us is Principal Secretary Skill Development and Technical Education Sri Hemant Sharma and all other distinguished guests. Today definitely it is yet another historic moment for the Odisha Skill Development Authority, as it inks a new dimension to skilling and employment by forging strategic partnerships for digital skilling and creating digital gateways in the form of portals for efficient service delivery. OSDA started as a part of 5T initiative called Digital Skilling for All, which is an all-inclusive skilling program in the digital sector covering students, youths, displaced workers, etc. In the past, there has been many successful partnerships with Cisco, SAP, Times Pro, Coursera, Navgurukul, SAC Robotics, etc. to enhance digital skills to the citizens of Odisha. Today I am excited to see that we have forged partnership with two global leaders in the digital industry. I would like to express our deep appreciation to delegates of Autodesk and Microsoft for joining us across the globe from US, Asian region and India to extend the support to digital program. Autodesk, one of the top 5 global organizations focusing on engineering design solutions for last several decades across industry sectors. Through this partnership, the technical students will get free access to Autodesk design tools suite that will enable them to learn on digital manufacturing. Microsoft, a global leader in digital industry, a household name globally, is going to support OSDA for imparting digital skilling in latest Microsoft technology stack. Youth from the state, along with students of ITI, Polytechnic and engineering, will largely benefit from this program. Microsoft CSR arm, along with its partners, will not only skill in the latest Microsoft technology stack, but will explore employment opportunities. It is pertinent to say that faculties are a key element for driving transformation, and in both these partnership emphasis has been made to introduce faculty enrichment program to keep them up to date with digital domain, thereby adding to the diversity and inclusivity dimension of digital program. While we are enabling our students to equip with digital skills and enable employment at the department level, I am very pleased to see that 3 digital gateways in the form of portals are going live that will improve the stakeholder delight across the society. Digital portal is an automated system that covers the full life cycle of the digital program, having intuitive dashboards, role-based access systems, etc. that will connect the skill providers with prospective trainees in a seamless fashion for digital skilling. Skills for Job Information System, a 5T initiative as a part of department's GOSKILL program, will enable prospective employers looking for job seekers in the state connect with each other to explore opportunities of mutual benefit. The system also offers various dashboards and offers and reports for ease of decision making. PIA Automation Portal is a part of department's GOSKILL program that aims to bring in transformation, transparency and timely delivery of payments to project implementing agency for the short-term skilling programs in the state through an integrated payment gateway system. Before I sign off, I would request all the stakeholders to leverage this opportunity. Thank you.